All right. So this is my attempt to show you my audio setup on my Mac. Later, I'll try to do something similar for Windows. So hopefully this saves you some time and maybe some money too. So I have the guitar connected to the audio interface, which goes out to speakers and headphones. And then the audio interface goes into the computer, and my digital audio workstation or my Ampsim or both are connected to the audio interface. And then the audio interface, the DAW or the Ampsim goes out to the multi-output device, and I'll talk more about what that is a little bit later. Then iReal, which is my click track, also has the audio out selected as the multi-output device. And finally, OBS or QuickTime, whatever video capture program you want to use, is listening to the multi-output device. Okay, so what's this multi-output device? It's a virtual thing that you make. It's part of Mac. You don't have to buy anything else. But the secret sauce is the black hole audio. So let's take a look at that. Black hole audio. If you go to existential.audio/black hole, you can download it for free. There's instructions on how to install it. And all you do is install it. You'll never see it as an app itself. Then you open up your audio MIDI setup, which is part of your Mac. And then you can see black hole audios there. Then you would create a multi-output device. So you would click plus down here, create multi-output device, and it'll make something just like that. So you make that, and then it gives you the option to select what devices you want to connect. Make sure that built-in output is the first one. That's the only real gotcha that I've come across. So if it's not, uncheck them all, and then check that first, and then check the others, and you should be pretty much good to go. Now, I don't want to use the output from the computer, so I turn that volume down to nothing. And then I select the output as the multi-output device, and I select the input as my audio interface, which is called the AXIO Solo. So now I have the multi-output device set up. It outputs within the computer to other apps and to the AXIO Solo, right? So next step, set up iReal Pro so that the audio goes out to the multi-output device. That means I can hear it through the AXIO, and then application software is picking it up through black hole audio. Same thing with Amplitude. The input is the digital audio interface, the output's the multi-output device. So you pick that. You don't want to pick just black hole, because then you're not going to hear it. You need the multi-output, because then that has both. That's like the key to understanding how this works. So now we have guitar. And if you happen to be curious, the mic is through Reaper, which is my DAW, and that's also routing out to the multi-output device. Then OBS, which is my video capture software, is listening for black hole audio. So I'm not actually hearing whatever OBS is hearing. That's just software hearing it, but I'm monitoring it over here through this meter, right? So now that's recording. Everything's good to go. And now I can actually hear everything. And so can you. So it's pretty good. That's it.